Welcome everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Artisan Heirloom Foods, and this is my March Garden Walk Thru. So I just wanted to give you an update real quick on everything that's growing in the garden. This is the oregano bed, and as you can see I planted 10 oregano, and there's room for a lot more, but I think 10 will do me good for right now, start me off, and then next year or later in the year I can plant more if I want. These are perennials, so they'll be around every year. Of course, we got my chive bed, my garlic chive. They're growing like weeds, nice and green, nice and full. Can't wait to use some of those. Then we have the asparagus bed. I just clipped some asparagus, and I've got some growing up here. There's one, there's another one, there's another one. There's a whole bunch of them coming up. And there's the other asparagus bed. And I've got a few coming up there as well. And then here's my blackberry bed. I've actually got my blackberries planted. I got 3 of them planted. And so hopefully we'll have blackberries next year. They probably won't come up this year. Got my rosemary planted. All I got was 8 bushes. And I'll add more over a course of a period of time. As you can see, the mint's growing like weeds. You can see it all. It's all growing up through here. My rabbit's gonna enjoy that. But I got the mint growing up here in this bed. It's just all over. The whole bed's mint, so. And then of course there's mint right there growing up. I mean, this mint growing up there. So this is my thyme bed. This is German thyme, and they're gonna get really big. Look how beautiful that is. And they smell really nice. They smell really nice. So, and I'll plant some more throughout the year. Like you can see the asparagus right here. This one I'm not gonna cut. And then I gotta let that one grow. There's a bunch of other small ones. Those are new asparagus that actually seeded themselves. Here's some, here's my raspberry bed. And then I got 3 raspberries planted. So hopefully I'll have raspberries next year. I probably won't have any blackberries or raspberry this year. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then this was my first bed that I got started at the beginning of the month. And if we look closely, you can see a few little things popping up. This over here is some Mizuna. These were the seeds that were used in this bed were the ones that were no good. Here's some Mizuna. See the Mizuna? So there are a few of the seeds actually germinated. But I actually used several packs on this bed. I mean, I must have used probably about 9 or 10 different packages of seed, and I didn't get very much. Nothing grew up. It was kind of sad, but it's okay. We'll live with it. So my corn goes in here. I can't plant anything else. It's been a month already since I planted, almost a month since I planted these seeds, and this bed is scheduled to have corn and beans in it in May, and so I probably won't, these little tiny sprouts probably won't do anything for me. So I probably won't get anything out of it. So it'll be a waste of time, but that's okay. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the garden, just kind of show you what's growing. And over this next month, we should get more garden beds filled in and planted. And I've already got a whole bunch of seedlings started in the house. This is everything that's growing inside. I'm not quite sure how that tomato got inside that basil pot, but it managed to squeeze itself in somehow. I'm still scratching my head on that one. These are tomatoes. That one back there is thyme. Those are tomatoes. That's basil. Strawberries, as you can see, I've got some strawberries growing. Got a strawberry here, strawberry there. These are jalapenos. If we look back there, you'll see there's a jalapeno back there. These are more tomatoes. That's oregano, there's one right there. And that's more thyme. That's a red pepper. And these are different types of red peppers. And then of course, these are more that I'm doing. I've done videos on them. But this is everything that's going. Everything got started really late because of my seed debacle. But we'll catch up. And yeah. So anyway, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching and spending your time with me. And if you like this video, or if you're new to my content and you want to get more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you like this video, hit that like button. Comment, share it. And until my next video, I want to say thanks again for spending your time with me. All of you take care.